G'day, I'm Gary Mays. Imagine never running out of hot water again. Stiebel Eltron systems utilize 4i technology. The intelligent, fully electronic water heater compensates for fluctuations in water pressure and temperature, using sensors that precisely regulate the hot water output. This ensures that you get your requested hot water temperature to the degree. Stiebel Eltron technology ensures on-demand hot water, saving both space and energy, compared to traditional storage tanks. Discover why they're the future of hot water solutions. Whether for your home or business, Stiebel Eltron systems provide reliable, efficient hot water. Their innovative design means you get hot water when you need it, without the bulky storage tanks. Experience the benefits of modern electric hot water technology. With 48 years of expertise, Whywait is your trusted partner for hot water solutions. Our reliable service ensures an installation tailored to your specific needs. O3 experienced professionalism and expertise with every installation. From residential to commercial, Whywait offers tailored Stiebel Eltron solutions that fit your unique requirements. Our licensed and insured plumbers guarantee peace of mind, ensuring your Stiebel Eltron hot water system is installed and maintained to the highest standards. Regular servicing of your Stiebel Eltron system prevents costly breakdowns and ensures optimal performance. Our expert technicians diagnose and repair issues efficiently, keeping your system running smoothly and saving you money in the long run. Scheduled maintenance is key to peak system performance of every Stiebel Eltron unit. By identifying potential issues early, we prevent major problems and ensure your Stiebel Eltron hot water system operates efficiently, reducing energy costs and extending its lifespan. Explore our range of Stiebel Eltron electric hot water systems and experience reliable, energy-efficient solutions. Contact us for expert supply, installation, and maintenance services, ensuring your home or business never runs out of hot water. Upgrade to a Stiebel Eltron system today and enjoy the benefits of modern electric hot water technology. Take the first step towards a more efficient future by reaching out to us for a consultation. Let's ensure you have hot water when you need it most.